Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and oh wait, my fan's on. Alright, let's try it again. Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on making old t-shirts that you have that you don't want to like get rid of, throw away. You want to use them somehow, so basically we're going to turn them into canvas art. And the way we're going to do that is you can go to like the dollar store or Michael's, some arts and crafts store, and just get like a cheap little canvas that will fit the image of whatever is on the t-shirt that you want to use. And then we're just gonna get to that. I will show you how to do that. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so these are the two shirts that I'm gonna do for today. We got my 3 Days Grace shirt. It's from the 1X album. I really love that album. I really miss old 3 Days Grace. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. But anyways, and then over here we got a Death Note shirt that my friend Issa bought me, which is one of those boyfriend shirts. Apparently he didn't realize it was a girl shirt, even though he did this last time with the Chainsaw Man one, which I'm gonna make into canvas art too, once I find that shirt. But anyways, I'm gonna do two different types of two different types of canvas that you can do this on. I've only done it on one other piece, which is right over here. I've only done it on that Attack on Titan one right there. That's on a canvas, just regular canvas with the backer boards, with the stretcher bars. That's what you call it. There we go. And then for the other one, we're gonna do one with the stretcher board, regular canvas, and then we're gonna do one that's just like a board canvas. I'll show you examples of that right now. As for the other one, we have this. I have to take the plastic off still, but see, it's like a board compared to this one. See the thickness, and it has this. This one is just a board. As for the staple gun, this is the one I got from Home Depot. It's called Trigger Fire. Haven't opened it yet since I was waiting to use it. I was going to use it for this. But yeah, we got this, and then this one's compatible with these staples right here. See, because you see right here where it says Arrow T50. This is T50, Arrow T50. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're going to start with the 3 Days Grace one with this canvas on the stretcher bar. So first you're going to have to, I would recommend ironing your shirts first, but I don't have an iron, so we're just going to go with this. I need to get an iron. Suck it in. Try and center it as much as you can. Oh, this would be cool actually, doing it this way. Man, I want this stitch. Alright, once you have it positioned how you want it, then either, I guess you can, well, gotta load this first, careful, you don't wanna go, but anyways, you could staple the sides, but what I did on the other thing, I just stapled the back, so carefully. Start having it this way. Like all this excess one will get Alright, since it's already stapled, we can just use some scissors. Cut this. Okay, and now for this one, we're going to use the board one. Never tried this, so this is my first time, so we'll see how it goes. This one we can do portrait. Let's see. We'll put it, and then... Alright, well I finished it, so what I did for this, I taped it down just to keep it flat, but yeah, same thing, staples show, it's not thick enough. But, I mean, I guess it could work, like, you could use a Sharpie and probably, like, color it in like that. It does look a little tacky though, so, I don't know. Anyways, that is this one. And then we have this one. So this one is thick enough, so that's the way to go. I mean, so yeah, that would be these. So yeah, what I'm thinking though, to do, I guess this would be method 1, but since this is the problem, I'm thinking we can do like a different method. Maybe we could do like spray glue, or we can do like a double-sided tape adhesive type of situation. So yeah, I guess this will be video 1, and then I'll try another method because I still have some other shirts to do anyway, so I can try different ones. That way you guys can see other methods. So this is just the staple gun method. And I was just trying to do this one because I thought it may work, but it's not thick enough for the staples. I mean, I don't know about like maybe a regular stapler, you can try that, but for these ones, no. So I guess for this method, this canvas is the way to go. Yeah, there we are, there we have it. Alright, and there we have it. So here we have my 3 Days Grace shirt as canvas art now. So definitely the staple gun works for this type of canvas, the one with the stretcher bars. So definite on that. As for this flat board canvas, this was just a tryout, see if it works. But see, it looks fine. But then when you get closer to it, you can see the staples. So it wasn't thick enough for the board. So I was thinking maybe you can try like a regular stapler, maybe that would work. I just don't know if it would hold the fabric in place as like good as the staples from the staple gun. But I mean, if you don't mind the staples, I guess it's fine. But it would bug me, so yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try and color these in black and see if I can fix that, because it's gonna drive me nuts. Or just put it somewhere where I can't really see it unless I'm up close to it like this. I was thinking maybe we can try like a spray glue adhesive, or like a double-sided tape, like because I know they have fabric tape. When I worked at Michael's doing custom framing, we had tape that was meant for fabrics, for like stitching fabric pieces to frame in like shadow boxes, stuff like that. So see if I can get my hands on that stuff. I think I have some spray glue somewhere in here, but I thought might as well just make this like, this is part 1 of however many I make, because there's other ways you can go about doing this. This is just the first method, the only one I tried that works. As you can tell from on my wall, the Rainer Braun, I think I pronounced his name right. I'm not really good with the anime names. But yeah, my Attack on Titan one, that one I did the same method as this. That was on the same type of canvas as the 3 Days Grace one I just did, the one with the stretcher bar. So yeah, so that one's good. But like I was saying, we're gonna try and get my hands on spray glue and the double-sided tape and adhesive, which is the fabric tape basically. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. You found some use for it. Hopefully you want to try it out yourselves. Please let me know what you guys think of the video and whatnot, and let me know what you're up to, like what pieces you did, what pieces are you gonna do, etc. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and tickle the bell icon so you don't miss any notification for when I post a video to my channel. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay awesome, guys.